Today is what, Monday? Yeah, so happy Monday. So I am back with another review from at Influenster. I told you guys that in my last video that I was expecting like 2 boxes, and which I did receive. So today is the unboxing day with you guys. Okay, so ooh, okay, the first box. Okay, the first one looks like this. Ooh, it's super bright. It's pink. Okay, and I am going to open it. And ta-da! Ooh. This natural lighting is a blessing and a curse. Okay, now it's going down a little bit. See that? You see that? The sun just went down. Okay. So, inside, this one was the Frida Mom. This is so bright. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, I can't see it. Okay. Anyways, what's inside this box is a lactation massager. This couldn't come in perfect time. Okay, so this was such a perfect timing due to the fact that I'm expecting. So I was super excited when I received this box. So lactation massager. I haven't opened it. This is the box. It's really fancy, really cute. I just opened it. So it's a massager. Basically, I guess if you're having a hard time to breastfeed, it's going to help you circulate the milk and everything else that you need, so it can make it easier. So this one is basically a little massager, and I guess you basically massage around the chest area, so that will help you to produce more milk. Okay, so it actually say when your milk won't budge, you could use a hand. The 2-in-1 lactation massager with adjustable mode gently brings warm vibration to break up the traffic jam, so you can get to the letdown faster, easier. Use the different sides and to help unclog stubborn ducts and empty breast. It's about your boobs got some. It's about time your boobs got some good vibes. Okay, so as they show you on the back of the box, I'm sorry for the lighting, you guys. Since it's already white, okay, if I do this, just maybe, let's see what the back look like. I don't know if you can see it, maybe it's me, but this is what it looks like. So it will basically help you to unblock your milk. Okay, so that's pretty good. Previously I had a little issue, you know, with producing milk, so that's going to help me a lot if it happens again. And the second item they sent me is Postpartum Gummies for lactation. So it's pretty much the same thing. They have 60 count, so it's 60 gummies on there. So after giving birth, also that's something I can use, you know, for the long run, because they have like 60 in there, so that's gonna last me a while. So pretty much I will take these, you know, and by using the massager, that will help me as well. And the third item is this one right here. This lighting sucks. Okay, maybe that's better. Yeah. So this one is a breast mask. Again, it's for lactation. So basically, you can place this on the boobs area, and I'm not sure how long you can leave it on there. You can reseal this. So okay, apply to clean dry skin. If using only one mask, place unused sheets in this bag right here. Reseal it for up to 2 days for the next, you know, use. So basically, once you use, if you use like one of them, you can place it back and seal it. Yeah, because they have that little thing, it look like a Ziploc bag, so you can seal it and you can reuse it again. So that's very, very good. So you can clean it off, you know, completely. After using this, you clean the boobs area, and before, you know, breastfeeding or if you're pumping the milk. So yeah, that's pretty good. So I'm looking forward to use these 3 items. Yeah, so that's very, very good. Okay, let's go on to the next box. It's really small and the box is blue. Okay, and let's open it up. Dun-dun-dun. This is what's inside, and this is what the box looks like. And it's prenatal vitamin. This is perfect for me. This I'm actually going to start taking this, you know. It's prenatal, something you can take while you're pregnant, and it's sugar-free, gluten-free, vegetarian, no unnecessary fillers. Okay, so this is what it sounds like. Essential vitamins and minerals for mom and baby. So I have 90 tablets on there. It can last me up to 30 days. So that's really, really good. I'm currently taking some prenatal vitamins, so that's why I haven't even start on these. I feel like maybe I should finish because I'm like literally almost done with the other one. So I feel like maybe I should finish first, as I still have, we're in May, June, no, we're in April, though. May, June, July. So I have like 3 months left or so. So I should be done by the end of the month with the one that I'm currently using, and then I can start on these right here. So that's really good. I really love these 2 boxes that I received because they come at the perfect time. So this is it for today, you guys. You guys probably was like, we don't care about your whole prenatal and lactation massager. But I'm sure there's somebody up there, maybe one person that's like pregnant or being pregnant, and that's gonna appreciate this video. So yeah, and I'm looking forward for my next box. I'm not sure what I'm gonna get yet. Usually they will send out an email and say this is what you're getting based on, you know, the essay that you previously done. So yeah, and this mama here is done for now. So I thank you guys so much for watching me rambling. And I will see you guys on the next one. So that was everything right here. In total, 4 items. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe if you made it to my channel. You might as well just subscribe, leave me a comment, something, anything. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ooh, I'm loving this bird out, child. Alright guys, bye. See you on the next one.